Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you open Roblox settings and noticed an option called Camera Input, you might be wondering what it actually does and whether it is safe to use. In this video, I will explain what Camera Input is on Roblox and how it works. Camera Input is a feature that allows Roblox to use your device camera in supported experiences. When this option is enabled, Roblox can access your camera to support features like face tracking. Face tracking allows your Roblox avatar to copy your real facial expressions while you play certain games. For example, if you smile, move your head, or change your facial expression, your avatar may copy those movements in supported experiences. This feature is mainly used in experiences that support avatar face tracking and interactive gameplay. However, Camera Input does not work in every Roblox game. It only works in experiences that are designed to support camera and face tracking features. Many users also worry about privacy when they see this option. Camera Input only works when you allow Roblox to access your device camera. Roblox also asks for permission before using the camera, so you stay in control of when the feature can be used. If you do not want Roblox to access your camera, you can simply keep the Camera Input option turned off. This means your camera will not be used by Roblox experiences. So enabling or disabling this feature depends on whether you want to use face tracking in supported games. That is what Camera Input is on Roblox and what it does. If this helped you understand the feature, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox tips and troubleshooting tutorials.